Earth rotation and timekeeping. The part of Earth that is facing the sun as it turn receive full sunlight. This part then experiences daytime. The other part away from the sun is darkness and experience nighttime. The whole Earth cannot receive sunlight all at the same time because of its shape. Try to turn on a flashlight and focus in front of a globe. As you rotate the globe slowly up in axis, you will notice that only half of received sunlight at the same time. Within a 24 hours period of rotation, half of Earth gets sunlight for about 12 hours and get darkness for another 12 hours.